like to unwind in the world of modern conveniences and serene resort living right at your doorstep? Not to mention easy accessibility to most parts of Singapore. Here you are in the one and only mixed development in the vicinity with full condo facilities. Hi, I'm Brendan from ERA and let me take you to the gem in District 23, the Dairy Farm Residences. Dairy Farm Residences is developed by United Engineers, who is a property pioneer in Singapore. 90% of the 460 residential units are north-south facing, with many units offering unblocked scenic views of Singapore's luscious nature parks. Enjoy undisturbed moments at the sprawling facilities area, which includes a generous 84 meters valley pool and a 50 meters lap pool. Be surrounded by lush greenery and take on a western adventure by cycling or strolling along the 23-kilometer park connector or the 24-kilometer rail corridor. Dairy Farm Residences come integrated with two-level retail podium spanning the basement and ground level. Indulge in a good meal at the restaurants, sip a cup of coffee, or have a quick meal at the food hall. You will never go hungry here. Pick up the freshest produce at the gourmet supermarket and leave your little ones in the good hands of the childcare professionals, all without leaving the vicinity of your home. The retail podium also has a dedicated pick-up, drop-off area and a separate car park for the shoppers from neighbouring estates to avoid congestion. Dairy Farm Residences is one MRT station to the future integrated transport hub. It is surrounded by 7 parks and 7 plots of future government land sales, which is definitely the undervalued property to look out for. Not forgetting, in less than 5 minutes, drivers will be connected via the Bukit Timah Expressway and Hillview MRT is also nearby. Investors, will you be thrilled to know that besides all the strong attributes of Dairy Farm Residences, it is also next to the German European School. Your immediate tenant pools are a stone throw away and professionals that work along the downtown MRT line. For example, the One North Business Park, Promenade, Downtown and more. Don't miss the chance to live in one home that offers you many worlds of enjoyment. I am excited to share with you, regardless if you are looking to upgrade, invest, or a home that offers low quantum, practical layout, next to the nature and doorstep convenience with high capital appreciation, Dairy Farm Residences is definitely the prize jewel for you. Call me at this number below and let's connect. Take care.